All right, so we might get stopped out of this move right here. Putting it up. At 47.25, but we most likely was gonna get stopped out, but we'll put it up. So I think this is like something from yesterday that I think I was trying to be a part of again, but I think it's a bit too late for that. I saw this was a quick setup, and honestly I just got to the charts, which isn't, you know, a good thing. There's no news, nothing news, so probably not the best idea, but an idea that I wanted to be a part of because I guess I want to show that I'm not like yesterday, like how the thing was right there and I didn't take it because I didn't feel like it, like I felt like the sell was going to work because, you know, whatever, but I wasn't looking at the current trend, and honestly price just broke structure, price just built this high, but the only thing is I'm getting in when price is in a range, which isn't ideal, like at all. So, and they're both here, but yeah, I think I'm gonna get stopped out because I don't think we have enough power just yet. But just wanted to let you know about this. This is on the 2-minute, and this is how it looks like on the 10-minute. Yeah, hoping, you know, something. But if nothing comes from this, then we'll just wait till price breaks structure here, and potentially we'll find something. So I'll let you know. I'm on the 1-minute right now, and I'm just like, it really just depends on how these candles close, right? Like if bulls can get a little bit more power into this shit, you know, potentially. Yeah, but yeah, no, it did not close past this line. It just settled on there. So I don't know. I don't know how to cut losers early. I don't know if I'm prepared to do shit like that just yet. But if price comes down to this low, like, and passes it, like, there's no way it's gonna stop me out. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'll let you know. I just wanted to talk about that. And I also have the shit. It's like bulls are rejecting this area, but it's not anything crazy. Like there isn't no show of power that, oh, the bulls are, you know, are here and they're gonna take the price up. Like there's no sense of that. So yeah. Okay, on the 1-minute, that's a better candle because that was a nice bear bullish candle right there. But we gotta see this shit perform like crazily. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna use the bathroom, bro. A brief toilet break. Didn't use the bathroom yet, but I'm just looking at price and I'm like, bro, are we cooked? Yeah, I think so. It's currently 8:38. Y'all, I was in the bathroom shitting the entire time. I didn't see any of that, bro. I came back and it said stop filled. I thought I was literally in the bathroom and I was like, oh, it's probably gonna say stop filled. When I come back, it was a little bit like, no, bitch. That shit said order filled. I didn't get it online. No, I didn't get it on video again. I told you I was shitting. I swear. I was shocked to see it. Cause like, bro, I seen it empty. Like I ain't seen no brackets on this. And I was just like, what? And then I looked and I was like, oh, TP got hit. Let me take a picture of that shit. On the 2-minute. Download image. On the 10-minute. Download image. And then let me go to Discord. I'm gonna go to Discord real quick. Okay, this is probably a weird angle, but I just excuse me, I just wanted y'all to see when I drag this in so that we can like talk about it together. So we're gonna go to my wins. John. We're gonna paste those things and just kind of talk about it. So what did I see? You know, I always like to go back and see what did I see. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here to the left, put this here to the right so I can like look at what I saw. Okay, I seen price break structure, bearish structure on the 10-minute, on the 10. Oh shit! I'll follow you. Oh shit. Alright, this is gonna be quick. I can't hold it, so now I'm like, hold on, my fault. This is, oh god, this is fantastic. Shit. Alright, anyway. I seen price break structure. Y'all can't see shit. I seen price break structure. This bearish, you know what, hold on. Let me show you so that I can just, okay, so I seen this morning price have this, right? Go here, go down. But then I seen this move right here, this bullish, strong bullish candle break past this structure right here. And this is on the 10 minute, right? So when I seen this, I was like, okay, I'm feeling bullish. And then on top of that, price had a retracement, right? And this is the mistake that I made yesterday. Price, well, this is a 10-minute wiki bullish area. It's a little goofy, but there's just a lot of wicks right here. You can see it just on the 10-minute alone, right? And for me, that is an area of interest. That is a zone. Just based off of me just being in the charts and back testing, this is a zone for me. So I marked up this, right? And then I dropped down to the 2 and I see that it's a range, right? But for some reason, you know, I'm not even fearing that. I'm just like, whatever. I'm not whatever, but like I'm seeing this range right here, the rectangle box, and I marked it up, and then I dropped to the 2, and it was kind of crazy because, you know, it's 8:30, right? Literally just got to the chart, bruh. Price was coming down into the zone when I was just getting to the charts. I get to the charts, you know, a little bit after 8:26. Like my alarm's at 8:26, and I think I got to the chart like 8:29 or something. So just imagine if I wasn't there, bro. But either way, like I had it set on my, I think my live account, but I didn't have it set on my Apex account. So luckily, you know, price tapped back into the zone, so I got filled in on both entries and then later adjusted the stop loss and take profit accordingly. So we were talking about this, and I was a little bit like, I ain't gonna hold you. Like I was a little bit hesitant, especially when I seen the strong bearish candle come into the zone. I thought I was gonna get an entry, and then it just fucking flattens me. That's essentially what I thought was gonna happen. But excuse me, but that did not happen. And as you can remember, I had the chart inverted because I see it better. But I was looking at the 1 minute candles, and I was just looking at price action just based off of the candles. Also, it's like, okay, if price is coming up here, if price passes this point right here, I know that that's a dub. Like if I was a stronger person, I would cut my loss, but honestly, I'd just rather it hit and get it over with. It probably would have saved me like a few couple bucks, but nevertheless. Yeah, so the last candle before I went to the bathroom, I'm pretty sure I saw this candle and this candle. So I seen this and I was a little bit happy because before this was like a low and price never broke past it before. It only like wicked past it. It wicked past it, but it never went past it. Anyway, so when I saw this bullish candle close past the line, I felt a little bit more confidence about it. And then I seen this candle right here, and I was a little bit like, and then, you know, that's when I went to the bathroom, and I didn't see any other type of price action. So when I came back and I seen this shit, I was like, oh shit. Okay, I explained that to you so I could just type it in here, and yeah, just give me a second. Okay, so I just did my explanation for myself, or to myself, for today. So yeah, I mean, we're good on that. Let's just go back to the charts. Not the chart, but like this stuff right here. See? So right now, that's what is on the account. $94 on the day. Let's see so far this quarter. In quotes, this is where we are. I mean, this is not how many trades. This is not our win rate. And this is not how many trades we've lost. Of course, we have a whole bunch of contracts on here, so it skews the shit, which is a little annoying, but nevertheless, we good. 105, Philly Live. And then we got the Apex one here, 477 on the day. Let's do this quarter. It's like, bro, we be taking the same trades and they like, oh, this is your win rate. And I'm like, girl, I did not take this many trades. So it's a little bit skewed, which, you know, is the shit. Hold on. Bro, I don't know. I don't know what I just said. But yeah, so we're cool. We're here. Definitely exiting out of this. Go. And we go from this. So yeah. Today was a really quick day. Shocking. It's currently 8:57. I'll show y'all that. I don't know if y'all can see that. 8:57 right there. But yeah, how do I feel? I feel proud of myself for being a part of these trades and, you know, like practicing to meditate and, you know, just being more poised. You know, I'm still nervous. I still get a little anxious and shaky, but it's significantly better compared to how it was in my past. I just, you know, practicing to lose every single day before you get to the chart is a game changer. If you don't do that, bro, I'm telling you, bro, do it, because I know what you know. I know how you feeling, bro. You don't want to be wrong. You don't like being wrong. That's just you in your personal life. Like me, I'm speaking to myself when I say this shit. Like, I know I don't like to be wrong. And so I would get crazy upset and mad as shit with the markets because I was wrong. No way I was wrong. Order filled. Order filled. No way I was wrong. Stop filled. No way I was wrong. Order filled. No way I was wrong. Stop filled. Order filled. Stop filled. And then by the time you know it, your daily loss limit was $200 and you down 1,000. Bro, I said to myself, bro, that was old KD, bro. That was old KD, bro. Like, I can't keep on doing that same rah, bro. Like I gotta evolve. I have to improve. Like, I know what I want for myself and I know what I don't want for myself. And while I can control my destiny. And I know that I want to work for myself. I don't want to work for other people. I don't want to wake up to do somebody else's agenda. And so therefore I need to do the things that make professional traders, consistently profitable traders. Like, I have to do those things. I have to journal my trades. I have to practice being wrong. I have to be calm. I have to work on my breathing when I'm in these trades. I have to work on gaining some sense into my naturally irrational brain, right? I have to, in the pits of uncertainty, I have to reel myself back in and give myself a corner, an area, a spot where it's like, KD, I know that this shit is fucking crazy, but guess what? Your life is not at risk. You are not going to die. If this stop loss hits, you are going to be okay. You're just going to feel like shit because you were wrong. Really getting that into your head. And you know, improvement will start once you have self-control, and I'm seeing that for myself, and I cannot wait to continue. Look what price was doing. Remember that zone I had set up? This was on the 10-minute. This was just the high of the day, or the high of currently. That's a 1 to 3. Oh my god. Anyway, I'm kind of going up and down with this Apex funded account. Fortunately, I don't really care too much about it. I said that if I fail the account, currently, you know, my live account is at like 600 right now, basically a $500 account. I said if I fail the funded, I will fund my live account a little bit more money so that it can be a $1,500 account and do what I'm doing now, just taking it nice and slow and easy and seeing how much money we can make within the month, following our rules, and me risking the same amount that I'm risking now with a $500 account. I'm risking 50 to make 100. So if I have a $1,500 account and I don't change my risk, I just keep it right at 50, I'm gonna have a lot more wiggle room, so I don't feel like you know, like, oh, I gotta win, like, because right now I can't lose no more than 10 trades, but margin, like, full futures is not like Forex. Like, Forex, you could trade with like $1. You could trade like $10. Futures, no. So, yeah, I was just thinking about that as a thing because I know that I want to start making money, and I have, and I want to be able to trust in myself with the money that I've already saved up specifically for trading. I use majority of that for changing my life in another way, but I want to change my life in the way that I know that I can. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye.